Windows.old. After upgrading your Windows or installing your Windows on top of a pre-existing Windows, what usually happens is every file and all the applications of the old operating system are bundled into this Windows.old. If you go to some of the folders, you might find a majority of the folders from the programs. Also, you will have program data and so many other things. The users, almost everything will be found there. It usually occupy a huge space. If we click on properties, this one is going to a tune of 26 GB, and it's very hard to delete this folder. You cannot just delete through the conventional ways. To delete this folder, just look for cleanup, disk cleanup. Make sure C is selected, click on OK, or wherever your operating system is installed. Click on this option here, clean up system files, then yes, we proceed. Might take a while depending on the size of the junk you have inside there. So make sure everything is checked, and then click on OK. You're going to get this warning. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Yes, that's what I want. Let's see whether Windows.old will disappear from the system. Yeah, definitely you're going to get this warning too. It's simply telling you that if you continue to delete Windows.old, in case maybe you want to roll back to the previous operating system you are using, it will be hard if you delete this folder, of which I'm not planning to go back. So I click on yes, because I want that folder to disappear. And as you can see, it disappeared, and we saved a huge chunk of space.